Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be working with our 1903 J.L. Owens seed cleaner. It's a hand crank fanning mill that was built in, from what I can tell, 1903 to clean wheat. How it works is the operator will turn this crank, which turns a shaft that has this fan that blows air across a set of screens that blows all the chaff and debris away from the wheat seed. And as gravity makes those heavier seeds fall down to the ground, to the bottom of this pan, they roll back out the back and onto this yellow tray that I have laid out. Now that fan shaft also has this cam that runs this rod that actually oscillates the box that has the screens to kind of help shake and loosen everything up. The hopper has this handle which operates a little slide valve that regulates how fast or slow the seed will actually fall through the screens. Give you a quick little walk around now we got some decent light. You can kind of see some of the original stenciling, some of the pin striping, and the original paint. On the back here, you can see where it says Advanced Cleaner, manufactured by J.L. Owens, Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'll put a little screenshot of a 1903 advertisement for this exact mill. So now I'm going to put the camera down and start working the mill. after once ran through. There's some extra seeds from another plant that was in this wheat that we got, but all in all, it did a pretty good job. I'll show you what it blew out. This is just some of the chaff and debris that was inside that it blew out. So the mill works, and excited to use it later on in the future. All in all, the seed cleaner worked actually quite well and did better than I expected. After running what little I did, I do know that a new set of screens is probably going to need to be made, and just a few other things, just minor adjustments. But we'll save that for another video. I cleaned the mill with a rag and a little bit of oil to kind of help bring out the original pinstriping and some of the letters and stuff like that. And it was just amazing to see 122-year-old paint and pinstriping still just shine through as clear as it did. So here's a few pictures of that. With winter quickly approaching, this is probably going to be the last farm-related video we're going to put out for the year, or at least until it starts warming up again next spring. We've been kind of kicking around the idea of kind of switching our content just a little bit, just for the time being. Actually thinking about firing up the smoker a little bit, and had a couple people kind of asking about that just here and there. So what do y'all think about doing a couple of cooking videos? Especially with Thanksgiving just kind of right around the corner. Holiday season, food, you know, just kind of seems like the right thing to do. So, but until then, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like the video, give the video a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. That way you get notified every time I upload. Like I said, as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.